Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to Hands That Cook. Today we're going to make something called funeral potatoes. Now these were popular, I don't know, 20 or 30 years ago you'd make them to bring to a funeral. And I guess that's how they got their name, but they're very easy to make. I'm going to add in this bowl 1 can of cream of chicken soup, I'll have the recipe down below for you, so you don't have to write it down as I put it in. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Alright, I think I got it all. You know how I don't like to leave anything. I think I got it from my mother. Now I've had this at Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's just a good side dish. I've got 2 cups of sour cream, which is 16 ounces. Alright. Six tablespoons of melted butter. Oh, let me wipe my hands off. All right. Teaspoon of salt, that's a half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of salt, now this calls for 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, but we like pepper, so I'm going to add a half a teaspoon. But if you want, you go by the recipe. 1 teaspoon of minced onions, the dried kind. 1 teaspoon. I'm looking to see if I've missed anything. I don't think so. I'm going to mix all this together. Preheat your oven, I told you, I think, to 350. I'm going to mix all this together. I'll bring you back when it gets mixed. Alright. Now I've got, this is a 4-cup bag. Mild was all they had at the store, so that's what I'm using. You're going to put 2 cups of shredded cheese in here. And I'm pretty sure that's 2 cups. If y'all want to measure yours, you can. But I'm going to get this mixed in before I add my potatoes. Now what you're going to need, now back when this recipe was made, the shredded potatoes came in 30-ounce bags. Now they come in 32. And you can either use the shredded or the cubed, and I chose to use the cubed. But you got to thaw those out. And then we're going to add them to this mixture. I'm gonna get this bag opened here. These are thawed. And like I told you, this is a 32-ounce bag. I'm going to turn you off while I get these mixed in. Alright. I put this stuff in a 9x13 pan that I did not spray. And then I got one round of crackers, and I crushed those up, put it on top, and then I melted 4 tablespoons of butter and put that on top of that. Now I'm going to put it in 350 degree oven for 40 to 50 minutes uncovered, and then I'll bring you back. Hi, we're back. The potatoes are done. And it took mine 50 minutes. So ovens differ. So whoop. So we're gonna see how these turned out as soon as I get Sam in here. Oh, they look scrumptious. Oh my goodness gracious. Alright, let me get Sam and we'll be back. Alright, I found him, guys. Go ahead, Sam.
Everyone's looking forward to the school year, but sometimes the best part about being back is the excitement of
Very good.
Does it need salt or pepper?
Not for me, but yeah, I like those.
She always has irresistible upper. Be your best friend's best friend.
Very good. Y'all try these. I believe you'll like them.
but you don't know our whole story.
I know I do.
And everything sweat for us.
Alright, guys, I'll put the recipe below for you. And I hope you try them. It's an old recipe. Some of you probably have already heard of it or made it, but a lot of you haven't. And it's really good. So thank you for coming in and spending part of your day with me. I always appreciate it. Until next time, you all take care, and may God bless every one of you.